Here's what you need to know going into the day today. If you're getting ready to walk out the house, we got afternoon snow on the horizon. Things will be moist and warm, so we'll be a little insulated here, but it's good snowmaking weather. 39 to 42 from IF to Blackfoot, Shelley Firth, Chubbuck, and Fort Hall in Pocatello. 38 in Salmon with snow flying, and 36 in Jackson, where you'll get the snow a little later, and it will be blowing, and traveling is not advised after lunchtime today if you got to go anywhere. We're going to have some wind too that sticks into the mess, a wind advisory down below Twin Falls. And then we've got snow that'll be flying into deep portions of the central Idaho mountains with a winter storm warning. That'll last through tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock. We're expecting heavy snow, 4 to 8 inches, maybe more, 40-mile-an-hour gusty winds, and a winter weather advisory for the areas that are shaded in purple, and that will be through tomorrow morning at 11. So most of the snow for the valleys will be occurring this afternoon and into the overnight hours. You could see a trace, you could see a foot, 45-plus-mile-an-hour gust, and you're going to see some freezing rain involved in that as well as it makes the changeover. Starting to see the sun come up here. Pocatello's at 19 degrees and not much of a breeze, but we do have a breeze in Blackfoot out of the south at about 8. It's gusty and burly right now, and those little breezes can take the temperatures down and knock the wind chill into effect and make it feel like it's in the single digits. So by about 8 o'clock this morning, we begin to see the changeover from the rain, the wintry mix, and the snow begins to move into Idaho. I'll take this step by step. By about lunchtime today, we see snow and a wintry mix there through Twin Falls. Gusty winds begin to pick up just ahead of the front, and we're talking 15 to 20 miles an hour. A little bit of a warm front overhead, though, because we've combined all of this into one system. As it pushes through in Idaho Falls, we start to see some decent snow into the mid-afternoon hours. Then we get a break on Saturday. Mountain snow continues. That's why you've got the winter storm warning. The travel advisories and winter weather advisories are still in effect up through about 11 o'clock. We get into tomorrow afternoon and you may see a break, may see some sunshine, but we'll do it again on Sunday morning early as we continue with the moisture to the south, the rain, and then we've got the snow into the mountains, and that's where you'll see some additional accumulation for the central mountains, eastern highlands, and western Wyoming. We've even got some snow chances in here for first of the week as well with some cloud cover. The winds, watch this. We're talking about gusty winds this afternoon. If you're driving a high-profile vehicle, you got stuff out in the yard, you may need to secure it and make sure you get all that kind of stuff done. It will still be breezy into the overnight hours with blowing snow because it will continue. We take a break on Saturday from the snow, but the winds will still be around, so it can pick up some of that snow and push it across the interstate, make things really treacherous. By 1 o'clock today, we're expecting to already see some accumulation into the central Idaho mountains, even into Boise, and traces of snow into Salmon and into Chalice. This is a lunchtime today, so make sure you're back here at noon watching us. You may see a little bit of it flying as it edges into Idaho Falls, Pocatello, Rexburg, and on into Driggs. Now, we'll advance this. I'll get you into the afternoon on Friday and into Saturday, and then I'll add Sunday in there as well. There may be 2 feet of snow into Jackson and Stanley, a foot of snow into West Yellowstone, Island Park, 2 to 4 and to the valleys, and maybe even more in there to Blackfoot as that deep pocket of snow pushes across the southern Snake Plain. So you keep us up to date on what you're seeing, and we'll share an updated forecast with you on our app, online, and on TV at noon today on Channel 8. Make a point of being here. The breezes out of the southwest shifting into the afternoon with the winter storm warning. So a chilly morning today. We're in the teens, if not the singles in some spots with a wind chill. Jackson will see 36 this afternoon, right around 40 degrees from IF to Pocatello, and 38 in Salmon with a winter weather advisory still in effect and a winter storm warning for the areas in pink, and that includes the Golden Valley. So tonight it'll be 9 in Stanley, 21 in Chalice, 21 in Rexburg, 22 in Jackson, and below freezing in Pocatello as well. So anything that falls to the ground, whether it's rain, freezing rain, or snow, is going to refreeze. 42, then 34 tomorrow. Windy conditions and blowing snow still in effect for Sunday, and 41. We'll reach 51 degrees by Tuesday. Idaho Falls, look at that blue line liner of a sky there, and we've got some sun that will try to shine through, especially tomorrow when we get a little break from the snow. You still got a 60% chance of it. That's mainly in the morning. The snow today is for the afternoon. It'll be 39, then 22 tomorrow morning, closer to 40 by Sunday. Blackfoot, you're in the 40s today, then freezing tomorrow, and then 39. But look, the temperatures overnight don't get above freezing at all. So anything that's wet will refreeze and be slick. Look out for black ice, freezing rain tonight. Rexburg, windy conditions. You're on the edge of the state line over there, so yeah, you may see a lot more snow than you may be expecting. 36, then 21 tonight, and 33 tomorrow with good snow chances into the weekend. Salmon, yeah, we'll probably cover up the runway at the airport there and be 38 for the afternoon. 22, then 36 tomorrow with blowing snow, and 44 with a 1 in 3 chance of snowy weather. Jackson 36, 70% chances of snow, 3 in a row, and we'll keep it in the 30s with a deep freeze overnight, and 43 for Monday and a 20% chance of continuing showers, possibly some rain in there by Wednesday. How did your kid accidentally injure you? That's our question of the day. We'll play back some of your answers at noon today at 534-9957. Let's check